Monday, February 17th.
Final cleanup inside.
Okay.
And the doors are first coat.
Okay, so we're gonna go check on the final cleanup inside. And seats are cleaned. Dash still needs to be wiped down. But I'm assuming by final cleanup he means the stuff back here. And seats are wet, so they must have been wet vacked. Clean up on the inside here. The doors or the ceiling's all done. And Aidan is taping for what I'm assuming is painting. And let's go check on the prime job over here. Oh, these are painted. Thought we were just doing the priming, but these ones are being primed. So that'll be probably painted tomorrow and flipped over. But yeah, so this one here, they're going with construction yellow again. Kind of like construction yellow simply because of the fact a lot of guys use their Bombardiers for work, and when you paint it construction yellow, you can see it. So if you have a breakdown and they have to come find you out in the boonies, well, guess what? You can see that. So again, these ones are original Bombardier doors, and this is the back door for the for where the radiator sits. And so they'll be flipping these here probably tomorrow after they set. And what else have you done besides painting and priming today?
We had sanding and priming yesterday, painting today.
Okay.
That's just the first coat.
Yep.
It will take a whole day for that to set up.
Okay.
This paint has no acids and like no fast dry.
Okay.
It's not like the expensive paint.
Okay. So just telling everybody that Peter is going with construction yellow.
Old cat yellow.
Old cat yellow. Okay. So if you recognize this color, that is the old cat yellow.
And that's similar to what the original Bombardier color was.
Okay. So, a little stinky in the shop here today, but we got the fan on. Dad's got the paint out, obviously, and that's what's causing all the stink in the shop. But I want to show you guys something about air cleanliness. I changed out this filter yesterday, and it's got a nice yellow sheen on it already. So that's 1 day's use on that filter. And we go with the high-end ones here. This one's, I think it's called 1900, and it'll pick out the vast majority of particulates out of the air. And that's needed because of all the dust and fumes and exhaust and dog hair and everything in the shop. Anyways, this is their progress. Like I said before, they will be working on this for the next foreseeable future here, likely the next 2 weeks for sure. Already starting to get guys calling to see if it's for sale. But the gentleman you need to speak to is right there, and that's Peter. And Peter will decide if he wants to keep it or sell it. And hopefully he gets some use out of it this winter. But he's got a couple other shells in the yard that he wants to fix up as well. So who knows, you might be able to buy it off of him. But you can see all the progress and everything that went on this machine. One of the things you might notice here too is the skis are back on. So when they do finally take this out of the shop, they'll be instantaneously able to take it for a test run. But with the skis on, the tires are off. I don't know where. No, there's the tires right there. And so those will go home with Peter here soon enough. And this is the activity for today. So we'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Cranky old pecker-headed dog. Hey? Hey, Charles? And kitty cat. Pecker-headed cat.